Restoring wetlands. A step towards a greener future. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and vital topic, restoring wetlands. This process is crucial for our environment, biodiversity, and climate change mitigation. So, let's dive into what wetlands are, why they matter, and how we can restore them. Whether you're an English language learner or just interested in environmental topics, this video is for you. Wetlands are areas of land where water covers the soil all year or for varying periods of time. They include marshes, swamps, bogs, and similar ecosystems. Wetlands are incredibly diverse, supporting a wide range of plant and animal species. They act as natural water filters, improve water quality, and provide a unique habitat for wildlife. Importantly, wetlands are also natural flood defenses and carbon sinks, playing a significant role in combating climate change. Over the years, many wetlands have been drained or destroyed due to urban development, agriculture, and pollution. Restoring wetlands means bringing these ecosystems back to life. Restoration efforts can include reflooding drained lands, replanting native vegetation, and removing invasive species. The benefits of restoring wetlands are vast. Biodiversity conservation. Restored wetlands provide habitats for a variety of species. Climate change mitigation. They capture and store carbon dioxide, reducing greenhouse gases. Water quality improvement. Wetlands filter pollutants from water, improving its quality. Flood protection. They absorb excess rainwater, reducing the risk of floods. Restoring wetlands involves several steps and the cooperation of communities, governments, and environmental organizations. Key steps include 1. Assessment and planning. Evaluating the site to understand its original condition and planning restoration activities. 2. Removing obstacles. This might include breaking down dikes or dams to allow water to flow naturally. 3. Reintroducing native species, planting native plants and, if necessary, reintroducing wildlife. 4. Monitoring. Keeping an eye on the restored wetland to ensure it develops properly and making adjustments as needed. Restoring wetlands is a powerful way to protect our planet and combat climate change. It's a process that not only brings back lost ecosystems but also reconnects us to the natural world. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of why wetlands matter and how we can work together to restore them. Remember, every step towards restoration is a step towards a healthier, more resilient Earth. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.